Hey there, welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. My name is Summer and today I'm going to give you a first look at the brand new ShadowSense collection that just released. So this is our rainbow collection. And the cool thing about this collection is when you buy them all together, you get this super cute, sparkly rainbow bag. So let's take a look at all the colors individually and see how they perform. Okay, so this is the brand new collection that just released. I'm actually here in Dallas where we're having our annual training on social media, and I'm so excited that these colors released. I love, love, love our matte shadow colors. We've come out with a ton of glitters and shimmers, but these are a whole collection of 7 matte shadows, which is so fun because you can make them glittery by adding on either glacier glitter or platinum glitter, but it gives you a whole range of options. So we've got red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, blue, and violet. And I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand so you can kind of see all of them together instead of trying to put 7 different shadows on my eyes. So let's open up our first one, which is the red. So here's a quick look. And I love that they're just named their colors, nothing fancy. This one is just called red. Okay, so you can see that this is a super true to color. It's almost like a ShadowSense version of blue red. And let's give it a quick swatch. So here's a quick look at it swatched. Now let's see how it kind of blends out. I love that the ShadowSense colors can be kind of packed on to make it more saturated, or you can blend it out to make it a little bit more subtle, a little more wearable. So here is the red. Now let's go to, here's the yellow. And I love that it's not like a highlighter shade of yellow. That is a little bit harder to wear. This is more of a kind of like not muted because it's really saturated, but it's not day glow neon, which is really nice. So let's swatch this one. So there is our yellow right next to the red, and let's blend that out. These are really, really beautifully pigmented, and they're a little bit thinner consistency than some of our permanent matte shadow colors, which actually makes them even more saturated. So the more pigment in a ShadowSense color, the thinner the consistency is going to be. So they did an amazing job creating that super pigment and really amazing color payoff without having to pack a ton of product. So it's actually going to save you money because you're having to use less product to get the color payoff that you want. Our next color is orange. And again, I love how it's more of a, almost, I want to say like it's a fall toned orange. It's not super bright orange, which makes this really wearable. Orange and red with blue eyes is super beautiful. It makes your blue eyes pop. So this is going to be one I'm going to want to stock up on. Now let's swatch this one. So there is the orange. And let's see how this one blends out. These are so velvety. They're almost like a buttery feeling. So there's our orange. Now next on this we have green. I might be running out of hand space, but we will do our best. Here's the green. So this is different than Mystic Moss. Mystic Moss is our green that was limited edition. It came out in March. This is like a softer version of green. Mystic Moss is very much like a forest green, and this is more of like a soft green, which I like. Again, like great color payoff, super pigmented, really velvety. And let's blend this guy out. And you can see how they're staying pigmented where I hadn't blended a ton, and then they blend to this really beautifully soft color. Next we have blue. So this is again different than any other blue that we have. This is like a great Charger blue. If you are a San Diego Charger fan, this is a perfect color for you. And let's swatch this one. So here's that. Let's swatch this one out. Blend that one out. There you go. I love this rainbow that's happening right now. Okay, 2 more to go. We've got Indigo, which is a really beautiful blend of that purple and deep navy. And we have an Amethyst Purple, which is a really soft purple, and I feel like this fills that void that we've had for a really good purple for a while. We've had Deep Plum, but this is a little bit different. This is a little bit, it's almost like Team Wicked. If you remember, Team Wicked was a limited edition LipSense color. This kind of reminds me of that. It's a purple, but it has that navy kind of undertone to it. And there it is blended out. And let's do our last one. Our last one is Violet. So this is like a really true purple. It's almost like the Violet Volt LipSense color of purples. So this paired with Amethyst would be the perfect combo for like the deep color or a transition color. So you could do Amethyst and then do a little bit of Violet and then accent with that Indigo color, and that would be a really gorgeous purple trio. So let's swatch this one. I love how vibrant this is. So there is Violet, and you can see it is different than that Indigo. And let me swatch, blend that out. I keep saying that. So that blends out to be really beautiful as well. So there is the Roy G. Biv collection. These are gonna be so much fun, not only for the summertime, but as we go into fall, this collection of colors right here is going to be probably the ones I'm going to reach for every single day. And then as we go into Halloween, these make amazing face paint. So my kids love to get their faces painted, but I refuse to use regular face paint because it just gets everywhere. I only use LipSense and SeneGence shadows. So this will be a great collection for your kids. They're gonna love it. And again, it comes with this super cute sparkly bag if you get the whole collection. So I'll be doing some eye looks with these, but I wanted to give you guys a first look at them and really give you a handle on what those colors look like in person. And you can purchase them at the link below. And I'd love to hear, what are your favorites out of these? Which ones do you think you'd reach for every single day? Which ones are you the most excited about? Tell me in the comments and I'll make sure to use those ones first when I'm doing eye looks for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. I'm excited to show you more looks using these, and I will see you later.